Hello, everyone. I just wanted to make sure everybody was aware, now that we're getting close to the midterm and time to start studying, I wanted to make sure we're all aware of how to go back to previous assignments and use those to help you study. So if you look over at your assignments, you will notice that right here at the top says current assignments, but if you scroll down to the very bottom, there is the option for past assignments. So you can go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice in here, you'll see every assignment you have taken to this up to this point. And on each of these, let's say you want to go back and review one. I could click here on applications of 3.3 applications of systems of linear equations. Okay, so it takes me in, and in here you can see each problem. And sometimes you see a problem and you say, I'd like to redo that. I'd like to try that one for practice. Well, if you click on the answer blank, you'll notice what pops up down here is practice another version. So you can go ahead and click on that. And now you get a problem, same, it's the same problem just with new randomized numbers. So you can practice and you can have it graded and it will, it acts just like normal. So the only difference now is now that you're doing this after the fact, you are not getting credit for it, but it's good for studying. The next thing is if you want to see the answer key, you can absolutely click on that. And then when you click on this, it'll show you every answer to each problem that you did. So nonetheless, this is how you can use old assignments for studying. I also wanted to point out, or wanted to remind you, that right below all of this, back on the main home page, so I'm just went back to the main page. If you go below your assignments, you will see there is the personal study plan. This is another good place to kind of click in and say, okay, linear programming, yeah, that I struggled with that, so I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to do practice problems on simplex method, or standard simplex, or general simplex, or dual, whatever you want to practice. You can go in here and do some practice quizzes. And again, these are not for points; they're just more practice to see if you're ready. And for the midterm itself, it's about 15 problems long. It's usually one problem of each main topic, one or two problems from each main topic. And you really have to know what you're doing. You're not going to be able to fumble your way through it. You have to know each problem, how to do each problem. And because it's proctored, you're going to have to, you can't look at notes, you can't have your book out. You got to just know what you're doing. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know.